As you know, today's date is 23 July 20, and nowadays we are learning class 10th first chapter of class 7th, an uncomfortable bed. An uncomfortable bed. Okay. So we should start. Today we will learn the explanation from para number 12 to 14. We will try to explain from para number 12. Okay, guys. So here then I sat down cautiously. Here your writer is describing then when he entered into his room, then he noticed that his friends wants to make him fool. They wants to make him as a practical joke. So he sat down carefully. The armchair was solid. The chair on which your writer wants to sit, that was solid. I did not dare to get into the bed. Means when he entered the room, he had not dared to spend the night on the bed. However, anyhow, the night was advancing and I finally came to the conclusion that I was being foolish. At that time, writer thought that it is sure that his friends wants to make him fool. They wants to get the practical joke over the writer. I was certain that my friends were spying on me. Writer became sure that he will make fool by his friends, waiting for the success of whatever joke they had prepared. But in that case, they must have been laughing their heads off at my terror. I could not let them have so much fun at my expense. I made up my mind to go to bed. Here, when writer entered into his bedroom, he noticed that in the corridor his friends were whispering. They wants to make him fool, but it was only the thought of the writer. He did not find anyone. Only he has a confusion, he has a doubt. At last he decided that he will not spend the night on the bed. He decided that he will take the mat and spread on the floor, and on the floor near the door he will spend the night. Okay? So here, para number 13, we will start just para number 13. But the bed was particularly suspicious looking. When he decided to go to bed, he found that bed was suspicious. There was a lot of confusion in the mind of the writer that if he will spend the night on the bed, then there may be a kind of plan on the bed. I pulled at the curtains. He pulled the curtain of the window. They seemed to be secure all the same. There was danger. It seemed that if he did not move the curtain of the window, there will be a danger. There must be, perhaps I was going to receive a cold shock from overhead, or perhaps the moment I stretched myself out. At that time, doubtfully, a writer had been going to receive a cold shock from overhead. Or perhaps the moment at that time I stretched myself out, writer stretched himself out, I would find myself sinking to the floor with my mattress. Means here you can watch that he decided that he will not spend the night on the bed. So he removed the mattress and spread on the floor here near the door. He wants to spend the night. He decided that he will not spend the night on the bed. Why? He saw a surge in my memory for all the practical jokes I had ever experienced, and I did not want to cut. Certainly not, certainly not. He decided that he will not made fool by the friends. He will be careful. Okay. And para number 14 today is then I suddenly thought of a precautions which could ensure my safety. At last, writer suddenly thought about a preparation which could ensure his safety. I caught hold of the side of mattress carefully, means he caught hold of the mattress carefully and very slowly drew it toward me, means he drew the mattress from over the bed. It came away followed by the seat and the rest of the bed clothes. I dragged all the objects into very middle of the room, facing the door there at some distance from the bed sheet that I could not trust, and the corner which I had filled me with such anxiety. Miss, we can say that he dragged all these objects into very middle of the room, facing the door there at some distance from the bed sheet. He could not trust the corner which had filled him with such worries. He had made his bed all over again as well as he could. Then he extinguished, identified all the candles, and dropping this, he lit all the candles which were available on the room as well as he could. And dropping my way means dropping his way to my newly made bed on the he made his newly bed on the floor near the door. And dropping my bed to newly made bed on the floor, I slept under the bedclothes. In this way, you can say that the writer which made a kind of plan that he will spend the night on the floor. He will not spend the night on the bed because he will be made fool by his friends. So he decided that it will be the better thing if he spend the night on the floor. So he removes the mattress and spread on the floor. Then he spends the night. This was the plan of the writer. So guys, your today's homework, you should create minimum create you should create a minimum 10 questions from para number 12 to 14, and you should try to write their answer also. You should try to write their answer. Firstly, you will have to create minimum 10 questions from para number 12 to 14. After that, you should try to write their answer also. This is your homework. Okay guys.